Hi guys, Sabarish here, and I'm here to share my biometric or the OFC interview experience. I am a student who is applying for the F1 visa in the US. I'll be attending a university called Illinois Institute of Technology in Chicago, and for that reason, I had applied for an F1 visa. And here's my experience for the biometrics. The date of my interview for the biometric was on 23rd June 2024 at Chennai, and here's the location for that. It's in Nungambakkam. And the documents that are required for the F1 visa students are the most important are going to be the passport, the DS-160 confirmation page, the visa appointment confirmation, and the I-20. I-20 is the document that is provided by the university. The visa appointment confirmation will be the document that you obtain once you book your slots, which will have the time slots for your biometrics and your visa interview, the respective consulate. And the other preferred documents to carry are your service fee receipt and the visa appointment fee receipt, which is like $150 for the visa appointment fee, and service fee is going to be $350. You would have received these receipts in your e-vine, so just take a printout of those for verification. They didn't ask me these two documents, but it is recommended for students to go carry these, and so keep that in mind. And this is how a visa appointment confirmation looks like. It will have 11 pages in that, but I just took the first 3 pages as those were the pages that were having my personal details, and the other pages were just instructions on what to carry, what not to carry to the visa interview. So I personally took only that 3 pages, and this is how the DS-160 confirmation look like. And here is a personal advice that I give you. So my biometric interview was going to be at 2:30. But I reached the location by 12:30, and they let me inside the building. So, in case you're new to the location and you do not wish to be late, you can just go in early and then let you in. So keep that in mind. So you don't have to follow the time slot provided in your visa appointment confirmation. And many are curious as to what really happens then. So I just want to provide a clarity. This is specifically for the Chennai location. It's going to be standard for every other locations too. So what happens once you enter outside the building, your visa appointment confirmation is checked, so that security guards will be there who will check your visa appointment confirmation, then check the time slots. And if it's free in that building, they just let you in early. And for F1 visa students, the DS-160 and your passport is verified. So inside the building, you'll have to go to the second floor, and there they'll check all the documents, which are going to be your passport and your DS-160. They'll check your name and your date of birth and your visa appointment confirmation. And after that, they will add a sticker to your passport. And this sticker will contain your passport number, a barcode, and the type of visa you're applying, which is going to be F1 visa. The barcode here is going to be helpful for the interviewer, the US visa interviewer, to scan that and get your details. And then you'll be sent to a counter after that, where they'll ask your preferred language. So you can have flexibility in choosing those languages, like you can choose English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and other languages. And your profile is verified there again, where they'll ask you your full name and your date of birth and the type of visa you're applying to. It's not going to be an actual interview, so you don't have to be afraid of that. They just ask your name and your date of birth. And after that, you can also, here is an important point, if you have never seen how the counters in an interview look like, here the biometrics has these counters which are exactly like how the consulate counters are going to look like. So you can get a reference of that, and that's it. And here there are no foreigners there, so you don't have to be afraid. It's going to be Indians there. And the photo is taken at the counter. A photo will be taken where this photo is the one that is going to be used on your visa. The visa that you obtain on your passport. The photo will be added there, and the process is done. The process is fairly really simple, so we don't have to stress on that. And here are some of the personal advices that I can give you. Go in a bit early if you're new to the location, as you don't have to go to the worst case of going in late, and it might just stress you out. So go in early if you're new to the location, and wear a light color dress. That is what many preferred, as there were guys with dark dress and they had to provide additional lighting for that. Even though lighting is provided, wear a light color dress. And don't stress too much over the biometrics. It's a really simple process where they just verify whether you are the one who are applying for the visa, and that is just it. You just have to prepare yourself for the US visa interview, which is going to be really hard. I personally saw a lot of rejections while I was standing at the counter. So, yeah, prepare for that. And I'm thinking of creating a video for that too, of my visa interview experience and what kind of questions I was asked and what are the questions I had prepared to and all those. So, that's it for the video. Thank you.